Okay, this, okay, the reason we use the whip hose is because we slide our thumb down and it's a good place to hold it. Okay, I know some people say watch it because there are connections, but to be honest with you, there's enough connections on this that if there's going to be a problem, the chances are it's not here, but here. Okay, so you're fine. Left hand controls the hose, right hand controls the gun. You always spray two-hand. You never, I see these people online, it's brilliant. They're like, they've got the hose behind them like this and no, sorry. The hose is only ever in two places if you're right-handed, okay? It's to the left of you or it's behind you. That's it. And it wasn't exactly that hard. If you notice as well with the whip hose, it's all getting a little bit kinked up. All guns will turn here. So now, all I do is keep turning it. Oh, that's too far. Go back. There you go. You find what works. And there's a lot of times tomorrow where we get this hose up our arm, so it does not catch some of the surface. You are always, always, always in control of this hose. If this hose catches your work, that's on you. So always to the left of you and behind you, and make sure that you're in control of this section here.